CorelDRAW tools. CorelDRAW, the go-to graphics tool since 1989, offers precision and creativity with essential tools like Pick Tool, resize and transform objects effortlessly. Shape Tool, edit angles with brushes like Smudge and Roughen. Free transform tools, rotate, resize, and bend objects freely. Crop Tool, precision cropping for focused compositions. Zoom Tool, close-up views for detailed editing. Curve Tools, create and manipulate curves. Artistic Media Tool, apply creative strokes and effects. Shape Tools, draw perfect rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and more. Text and Table Tool, add and organize text effortlessly. Interactive Tools, blend, distort, and add shadows for stunning visual effects. For detailed insights into each tool, check our article link below. Like, share, and subscribe.